The 2025 Porsche Panamera GTS continues to push the boundaries of performance and luxury in the Grand Tourer segment. With its updated design, more powerful engine, and advanced technology, the Panamera GTS blends sportiness with everyday comfort like never before. Under the hood, it houses a 4.0 DAS-liter twin-turbo V8 engine that produces around 500 horsepower, paired with an 8-speed PDK dual-clutch transmission. This allows the car to sprint fry from 0 to 60 mph in just 3.7 seconds, delivering thrilling acceleration while maintaining smooth drivability. The exterior has been refined with sleeker lines, a more aggressive front fascia, and new lighting signatures that emphasize its sporty character. The GTS trim features blacked-out accents, unique wheels, and performance-focused touches that set it apart from other Panamera models. Inside, the cabin is a blend of premium materials and digital innovation. It includes a curved digital instrument cluster, a large touchscreen infotainment system, and customizable ambient lighting. The GTS-specific interior design includes Alcantara upholstery, contrast stitching, and sporty bucket seats that provide both support and comfort on long drives. In terms of dynamics, the Panamera GTS is equipped with adaptive air suspension, Porsche Active Suspension Management, and torque vectoring for enhanced handling and ride quality. It also offers multiple drive modes to tailor the driving experience to different conditions and preferences. Whether cruising on highways or carving through mountain roads, the GTS delivers confidence-inspiring control and engagement. Overall, the 2025 Panamera GTS stands out as a performance luxury sedan that refuses to compromise. It offers a perfect balance of speed, style, and sophistication. For more in-depth car reviews, latest specs, and features, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Stay tuned with Auto Xpert for everything on wheels, powerful engine, and advanced technology. The Panamera GTS blends sportiness with everyday comfort like never before. Under the hood, it houses a 4.0